Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make a password manager. So where you can store your all your passwords at one place inside Python. So this will be a desktop app which will be built in Tkinter framework, and we will be using the database called as Sqlite3, and we will be using a cryptography library here. So this is a blog post. Here you can go to the blog post, the link is there inside video description. So here I have given the step-by-step instruction and all the source code is given. So the very first thing that you need to do is go to the video description to follow along with the video, and here you will see this hyperlink download source code, and if you click the source code button you will see this will redirect to the actual source code. So you will see this will have the window. Here you can just log in and register first of all, and then you can store all your passwords at one place. You can see, and now you can see this is a GitHub repository here. So I will just go to my directory here, whatever directory I am just here. Make a directory here, let's suppose password manager project. I will go into this directory, password manager project, and then I need to, since it's a GitHub repository, I just need to, you can just do it by git also. GitHub git command should be installed on your computer, or you can just download this whole zip file here by clicking this button. So this will be very easy. Make sure that you have git installed here inside your PC. Git clone, and then we will paste the address, so it will clone into this directory. So just wait, it is downloading it. So now we can cd into this directory, passwords storage. So now we go to this directory, and here simply we can open Visual Studio Code text editor inside this specific directory. So you will see now we have this main.py file. This is a main Python file which is responsible for having this graphical user interface. So you will see all this code is pre-written. I will just show you the demo here, quick little demo. And we have this database.py file. So basically we are using the SQLite database. So this is just a temporary database where all your passwords will be stored here. So now you simply need to go to it and simply execute this command, python main.py. If you execute this, and make sure guys, if you are running it for the very first time, you need to uh, let me just close this file here and then show to you. Go to this readme folder here. These are the requirements. You should be having python 3 point installed here, and then you should be having this library Tkinter. I think Tkinter comes within Python. Make sure that you pip install Tkinter. Pip is a dependency manager, and you just need to install Tkinter first if you don't have Tkinter installed. So this will install Tkinter. I have already installed Tkinter. So, and then you need to be installing sqlite3 command also. You can see these are all the libraries which are there, sqlite3 and cryptography. So make sure that you have installed these. So, and also pip install sqlite. So these are the commands and cryptography, and after that you can just run your file main python main.py. And first of all guys, as you are a new user, you need to create account here. So first of all I will provide a username, geeky Gautam, and then I will provide the password 123. Click on enter. So you will see, do you want to create a new user? So I will click on the yes button, so it will redirect me to this window here. So here you can add your new passwords here. So you can just give it a username such as Gauti, and the password is 1234556. So here you can just give a little note about this entry here. So I can just write this is Twitter password, and I can save this new password. You can see new password added successfully. If I click OK, you will see your password added successfully. This is a good password manager. Let's suppose now I need to have the second password, which is this password Gautam, and I can write this is a Facebook password. So many a times you visit many websites, you create accounts on many websites, and you forgot your password. So with the help of this application, desktop application, you can just manage all your passwords at one place, and then whatever you are viewing the website, Let's suppose you forgot all your passwords. You can come to this application, and let me just close this application and rerun this. So do you want to quit? Let's okay. Now if I open this application once again, now you can log in here. So this is a great feature of this application. You can provide the old username that you entered, Gauti, and 123. If I click enter, I will be, sorry, I think my password is, sorry, geeky Gautam, sorry, the username was. If I click enter, you will see I will be redirected to my old screen, and I have saved my password save. So I have created this account. I can log in into this account and at any moment of time. So you can see that here I can enter more passwords here. Let's suppose you want to add more passwords here, just add it, save new password. So you can just add unlimited passwords. So it is storing it inside the database. So at any moment of time, you can just get these passwords here. You can see username, password, and little note about it. So it's a great overall application if you want to use it in your day-to-day life. The link will be there inside video description for all the source code. Let's suppose you now make a new username. So it will show you the pop-up window. Do you want to create a new user? I will click yes. So now this user has its own entries. So you can see. So this is a good application if you want to use it. The link is there inside video description. It is built in Tkinter framework, which is a GUI little framework for Python. The link is there inside video description. You can just download all the source code, and please also visit my free media tools website, guys. This is a tool-based website which I built in Node.js and Express. A total of 180 tools are there, and please also join the Facebook group as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.